Good morning. We're at Saltíto, El Saltito. It's a little bit windy, so I hope you can hear me. Up here, the wind is returned. It's not as bad. It's maybe sustained at 20 instead of 40 or 50. But still windy. I'm gonna go up here and see what we're camped just on the other side here, down this mountain here. We're gonna go and do some hiking. I'm gonna go down here a little bit. We climbed up. Gonna try to find our way kind of down and back up over that mountain right there. And there should be a beautiful beach over there. And we'll see what it looks like. But it's always great to explore. It's a beautiful spot. You saw the approach in here. There's a reason why this beach is called El Saltito, which means the little jump. It's because there's a place to jump, and I think I found it. Let's go over here to where it actually where you take the plunge. Be careful, buddy. Be careful. Yeah. This is definitely it. Right here. Down to that lower deck right there. And it looks to be about 25-30 feet, maybe a little more. But yeah, the ocean is deep there, so it's no problem. You just have to push away. In case you're wondering, we're not going to be doing any jumping. Not today. That's where we were, where El Saltito is, and we're decided we're gonna go ahead and go up to the top of the biggest one up here. See what's on the other side. I think there's a beautiful beach there on the other side, untouched. I also believe that's where the turtles, no, not the turtles, the bioluminescence is. But I'm not sure we'll get to it, but we're gonna try. We're gonna keep going, see how it goes. This is it's pretty challenging. It's doable, but it's slow going, uphill, steep. So now we're looking down at where we were. I try to go up here. Well, here's the summit. Oh man, a little bit of a workout on the quads. Incredible. Look at that right there. Just soaring, letting the wind do all the work. Eyeing Brady. They came in a little too close, looking straight down. If you have a small dog, not that he'd probably come up here, but you probably don't want to bring him up here. What they do is they pick him up and they just carry him for just a few seconds and then drop him. And they plummet to their death once they hit the, down below, and then they get them. So they don't have to hold them, very long. It's, like I said, it always freaks me out when they get a little too close. They're gone now. I guess the beach is over that mountain and we're not gonna do that. It's, too much. For today, too much. I always say descending is much easier than climbing, and it's true as far as slipping and falling. Heart rate's a little lower going down, but you got to be way more careful. So we got to go down there and then up the other one and then down, and we'll be at camp. Here's the view from the other side of El Saltito. The sun is setting right now. The winds are calming down. I have the beach to myself for an entire day. It's been nothing but solitude. I won't forget Saltito for a long time. Looking forward to today's lunch. Little skirt steak that I've been marinating for a couple days, and some just simple olive oil, salt, juice of an orange, including the pulp. Just threw it in the bag. Here it is right here. It's just should have tenderized it. A little acid should have tenderized it by now. Have some just rice in here with olive oil, salt, and pepper. And good old Del Monte. Ensalada de verduras. Oh yeah, it's got a little green bean in there too. Just throw it right in there. Simple, guys. Simple. Let's get the show on the road. Starving. Five minutes. Like I said, I like my tomatoes a little bit green, and I slice them thin. That's for my salads, because I prefer that little bit of snap to them. I don't like mushy tomatoes on a salad. Little onion. A salad without onion is not a salad. Sorry, guys. That's just the way it is. Little olive oil. White wine vinegar. Salt. Oregano, because it's got tomato. A tomato without oregano just, man, it's lonely. Lonely without oregano. A tomato wants oregano. Oregano basically doesn't exist for any other reason than to be on tomatoes. So I'm gonna go crush red pepper today instead of pepper, just because I just feel like it. And that's that right there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That looks great. Perfect. 2 minutes. Let's take our rice, our gorgeous rice. Look at that. Just so simple. Look how good that is. That is just so good. Stick some rice on there. Look at that right there. Wow. Wow. How good is that? Let's see. Oh man, that is just so perfectly caramelized. Oh man, irony, delicious. Skirt steak is so underrated. The only thing you gotta do is you gotta marinate it in some acid for a couple days. And it's, I mean, the flavor, it can be tough otherwise, but the flavor is fantastic. I love breaking up an egg over rice. Just so delicious. Look at that right there. Well, there's another great meal. My own private beach, El Saltito. Heading southbound to Cabo San Lucas.